Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So today we've got an unboxing. I literally got in this afternoon my bargain bead box, and so I cut open the top, and I did kind of peek at the list. But this month, for the month of March, it's Seafoam Sunrise Collection. So we're gonna unbox this together. So yeah, always comes in a nice little bag. I'm gonna set that aside, and we are gonna go through these items one at a time. So the first thing they have in here, if I can find it, is a 30 by 18 Amazonite, I don't even know how to pronounce that, teardrop pendant. So it's like a seafoam green color, and I really like that. So that's the first item. I may do some wire wrapping on that, even though it's got a hole in it. I really kind of like that. Maybe do some wire wrap, I don't know, because I have copper. And while the copper would be okay with that, I'm thinking, because it did come with some antique bronze, we'll see what I do with that. Anyway, next we have 3mm Amazonite faceted round beads. And it's a 15-inch strand. So actually, because I'm going to be setting these up, I might as well just leave these out. I will be working on these after, probably tomorrow. I've got one thing to finish up. So this is the 3mm faceted round, and it's 15 inches. And I don't know if you can see that real well. Let me get the camera down here a little bit better. So that is, a very light, basically seafoam green. Goes very well with the, and yes, I'm adjusting the camera. It goes very well with the pendant. Next, we have 18 by 16 ammonite half drilled. So, these are pendants or drops, and they're half drilled. So I don't know, and I'm going to grab it while I'm on camera with you here. So let me find my eye pins. I don't know if they'll fit, but I have these screw-in eye pins. And I'm just seeing if, those won't go in there without probably breaking those. So I will definitely be doing some kind of wire wrapping on this. Just because I don't trust, maybe make a pair of earrings out of those. Then next we have 8mm Amazonite round beads. And those are not it. These are it. So we have 8mm Amazonite, which goes very well with that. Again, beautiful seafoam green color. I really like that. I really like the fact that it's all one color. You get to do a lot with it. Next, we have 8mm flower Amazonite matte round beads. And I'm looking for those. That would be these. So these have a mixture of colors in them, and they're matte. Again, this reminds me, again, seafoam, but it reminds me of a beach. I'm really liking that together. Next, we have 10 millimeter agate dyed matte round beads. And so this is going to start to bring in the other color that's in this kit, which is the oranges, the sunrise portion of the Seafoam. So that is a deeper orange. That definitely goes with that. Next, we have 8x6 crystal faceted rondelles, peaches and cream mix. And this is like, it's got peach, it's got this orangey color, it's got a cream color, and some white and some crystal. So that's going to go well with the coloring. And then we have 8 millimeter crystal drop beads in marble mint. And that was the one that I had grabbed out to begin with. And I noticed I have a broken bead there. And there was another one that I saw when I was pulling it out of the bag just a moment ago that had, yeah, this one. It has a chip in it. So there are 2 beads on this that I won't be able to use. But, you know, it's still, I get quite a bit. And I like those. I mean, those are very sparkly. I think those will go well with the kit. And I'm really liking this. All right, so next we have 2-piece filigree teardrop pendants. And I've got to find those. 2-piece filigree teardrop pendants. Oops. I got tape stuck to me. And these are, looks like antique copper. Those are really nice. I like those. I don't know what I want to do with those because I don't necessarily want to make a pendant. I think those would make, you know, really good earrings. Honestly, I was actually, you know, thinking about maybe putting something behind it. I don't know, because I do like the coloring behind it, but I don't want to hide the stones. So we may do something fun with that. Next, we have 4-piece scrolled chandelier findings. And that is, where'd they go? Yeah, there we go. So these are great if you want to make multi-tiered necklaces or if you want to make earrings that are chandelier. So like I could see doing a chain on this with a drop in the center, or, you know, doing, you know, and I may do that, do 1 pair chain with a drop on the center and then do a necklace with 3 strands on the other set, just to do something different. So that I've already got ideas for those. Next, we have 7x5 ornate lantern spacer beads. And you'll have to forgive the noise. My bunny is deciding she is going to redecorate the carpet. So these are the lantern beads. So they're not quite round, but they are, as you can see, they are very ornate, very detailed. They got a nice pattern on them. And it goes well with, I think it definitely goes well with the oranges. And it makes the green really pop. Next, we have 7mm scrolled bead caps. And this is little scrolls bead caps. So these are going to do well with spicing up this. I'm really liking this set. We have 1 meter of cable jewelry chain, steel cable jewelry chain. And again, in the antique copper. So, I mean, I like this. I think this goes well with these, especially with these. I like that they included this because I don't really have a lot of this color in my stash, so that's awesome. Next, we have 10-piece brass leverback ear wires. And that is, if I can find it here. I don't have a lot of these in my stash either, and I do see a lot of people using these. I do like them. So these open up. This part goes in your ear. Once it's in your ear, you close it up, and you have your, you know, a secure earring. I like these. You get 10 of them, so you've got a set. You can make 5 pairs of earrings with that. Next, we have 3 sets modern floral toggle clasp. And so these are, you know, toggle clasps. They're ornate. I like that they're ornate. They go with the theme. You know, it matches the flower theme. So you get 3 sets of those. Then we also get 5 grams, 40 millimeter, 22 gauge steel eye pins. So these again are the antique coppery color. And so you get 5 grams of that. So there's, you know, probably 20 or 30 there. That's great because if you don't have this in your stash, a lot of people don't. I mean, now you've got your findings. And lastly, as a free bonus, they included a brass pinch bail in antique copper. So that's a pinch bail. It was, you know, probably designed to be used with this. I may use it on that and just, you know, put the pinch bail on, and make a pendant out of that, or I may wire wrap those. I haven't decided. But this is I mean, I'm liking this kit. I've already got ideas. I love these. I love the sparkle. And I love the sparkle against the matte because it especially stands out. But I'm really liking this seafoam color, especially with the antique copper. I think that works, you know, really well together. And so I could probably wire wrap this and then just let it tarnish, and do something to tarnish the copper. I don't have patina or liver of sulfur for my copper, but you could probably do something where, you know, I could buy some liver of sulfur and patina the copper if I were to wrap these, or just wrap them in regular copper and call it a day. You know, so, but I'm loving this kit. I like everything that they sent. I probably won't get started on this tonight as much as I want to because I was working on this earlier. It's a brooch, and it's a labradorite cabochon that was irregular, so I decided to bezel it onto some felt and then add some shibori and just do a kind of a funky brooch in blues and grays. So I got to finish that up tonight. But anyways, so this is Bargain Bead Box, and we are definitely going to get started. I'm going to actually get this set up on a beading tray off camera, and in the next video, we'll get together and we'll start making some designs. So anyways, let me know what you think about this in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.